Hey, look
Yeah, huh?
That ain't going nowhere.
It ain't.
Your drone, nigga.
I put the drone over there, man. I got a new sales slogan. You buy, I fly.
Oh! Sit your goddamn man money. See,
you like, I just said that's
keep it real on 7,
I can't tell them what the slogan is. Y'all don't want to hear the slogan?
I like it.
Okay, she like the slogan, y'all. Oh, shit. Y'all need me an old hot link sandwich with some sweet baby Ray on it. That's what I need, me. Yeah. Hey, look out, y'all on my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
What's that?
I thought you were trying to bet something.
Nah, I ain't betting, man. I thought you were donating. I was about to go on over here with this thing.
I donate because I watch
Oh, for real? Appreciate it, man. He donating for real, y'all.
Talking shit, keep it real on 7. Look back in your shit.
Keep it real on 7. Oh, that's my boy. Oh, yeah, that's you.
I sent your ass $50.
Yeah, man, that's my boy, y'all.
You was out in
Real
Texas.
07, man.
Yes, I sent you that.
I didn't know that was him. He done came all the way up. We're going to stand way down here. I'm thinking you one of them people that be in the crowd, man. You came way down here.
I'm just telling you, I do support
Hey, I appreciate it, man. Hey, let's keep it real, man. We're keeping it real and 100, 24/7 all day long, man. Damn, look at all these people. Boy, I got too many people here, man. My boy, he cashed at me, y'all. I'm too far away, man. I'm gonna get back up there closer. Already. Have a good one, man. Oh, they lining them up now. That truck ain't playing no games. Y'all seen that truck? That truck ain't playing. Oh, snap, we got the laws. Yeah. Let me find something to eat. That's why I was walking back here. I was looking for some food back here. That's what it was. Let me find my people. Wasn't I back here yesterday? I didn't went too far. I think they was. Hey, look out, y'all. How y'all doing? Blood, where the food at, man? I need a hot link sandwich with some sweet baby Ray. You'll hook me up? Where I need to put it at? Oh, there goes Stacy right there. Hey, man, she want to let y'all know. Where you on Instagram? You want to let her know? Tell them what's your Instagram one time.
J_2sexy, baby.
Too sexy. Say it one more time, because they be...
J_2sexy.
She on there, y'all. J_2sexy. Huh?
Hey.
What's up with it, man? You want your Instagram too?
No.
Oh, okay. What is it?
Did you go down there with the guy who was in the truck, the accident?
In the truck?
They okay?
Yeah, they all right, man. I had the drone. I was flying the drone when that happened, man. Okay. I got it good, sound and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Oh, they got some sweet baby Ray, didn't they? I seen some sweet baby Ray over there. I thought somebody had some sweet baby. Yeah, I'll use that. Where I need to go? Down here some more. Go down here with Sid. Huh?
Just want locked down over the showtime.
The Jesse James. I think that was Jesse James. Yeah, they in lockdown. I think that was Jesse James. Look out. Hey, man. My boy, he on probation. Hey, man, I've been looking for you too, man. I just walked down here for you and my other people, man, because I needed a hot link sandwich.
Where you buying that? I want to be.
What, Funky Town? He all the way up there. Funky Town ain't gonna walk over here. He up there arguing with everybody. He talking about this track some trash. Funky Town said this track some trash. The only thing it's missing is the lid.
The who?
The lid, the trash can lid.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got. Let me see where he at with that damn link. They got linked out bullshit. They really got him out there. What's up with it, man? How you doing? Man, I'm trying to see where them links at, man. I think he said go down here. Link sandwich.
Link sandwich.
I think I done went too far down, man. I done got lost. Oh, hold up. Man, where the hot links at? Yeah, I need a hot link sandwich. You don't know where it's at? Man, hell, yeah, do you know what a hot link said with the sweet baby Ray? Man, he don't know what nothing is, y'all. Man, I think I done went too far. Let me go back to my boy trailer, man. They ain't got no food down here. They lured me down here and I ain't even got nothing. Hold on. What the hell going on? Everybody looking at over here? What's going on? Oh, they dumping trash. Okay. I thought it was a scene. I thought y'all were fighting or something, arguing over a turkey leg or something. I was about to say, what y'all got, man? I done got back hungry. And what you drinking? What's that in that cup? I'm ready to get drunk too. Y'all ain't got nothing for the rest. Well, I at least need a link or something, man. Man, I need something, man. I'm hungry, man. Here, man. Here, you can hold that 1 second. Let me get over here.
You got me on TV?
Yeah, you want to be on there? Look, go on, put your shout out. Oh.
Okay.
Go on, put your shout out in one time for the one time. They ain't even say nothing. He ain't got no shout out, y'all. Hey, my bad, man. You ready to navigate me to a sandwich, man? I need a sandwich.
What's up, that motherfucker? Who you like?
Okay, here I come. Oh. My cash app is my cash app is Lookout Racing. My Zelle is 214-514-9545. Yeah, you can hit my Apple Pay, Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, all that. How about them Cowboys? You want with the Cowboys, man? Where Mudbone at?